Hi, so this is just a quick explanation about how to search for peer-reviewed articles in ONESearch. So here I am on the Library tab of My Red Dragon, as you can see, and I've put in my search terms and I'm going to click Search. So that's the first step. And then when this comes up, over here on the left is going to be a list of filters that you can use. Sometimes it cycles through a few times loading. There we go. And I'm going to click on peer-reviewed journals, because that will limit it to only materials from peer-reviewed journals, right? And there's some other filters in here you'll want to explore. I'm going to use publication date because you probably don't want articles on your topic from 1900 unless it's a history of science paper, right? So we could say 2010, for instance, click refine. All right. So we've got our filters set here, and then when you have them, you can click remember all filters. ONESearch is oddly absent-minded, and it will forget between your searches what you're looking for, and you'll think you're looking at peer-reviewed articles and all of a sudden realize you're not because you didn't tell it to remember the filters. So just set it to remember the filters, and then you can just choose the articles that you want and that are helpful for you. Have fun!